Power is not taken. It is earned through patience, discipline, and silence. The crown does not make the king. It only reveals the man within. Let not anger guide your judgment, for fury blinds kings faster than any enemy's blade. Trust slowly, forgive rarely, and forget never. Beware the man who flatters, for his smile sharpens daggers in the dark. Never reveal all your strength. Mystery is the armor of power. When you speak, speak little. Let your words fall like the strike of an axe, deliberate and final. He who cannot command himself is not fit to command others. Mercy without wisdom is weakness. Justice without mercy is tyranny. Discipline is the blade that shapes a ruler. Without it, even the crown becomes a curse. Let your people fear betrayal, but love your fairness. A kingdom held by both fear and honor endures. Be kind, but never soft. Forgive, but do not forget. He who seeks love from all will one day kneel to those he tried to please. The quiet king lives longer than the loud one. Power that whispers endures. Loyalty cannot be demanded, it must be earned, and once earned, guarded with your life. Not every battle deserves your blood. Choose your wars as a jeweler chooses his finest stones. A promise once made is sacred. Break it, and the throne itself will tremble. Comfort is the poison of kings. The moment you grow soft, you are already conquered. Know your enemies as you know your reflection. They will reveal truths your friends never dare to speak. A king who listens to fools will soon be ruled by them. Silence is not weakness. It is strategy. Let others speak, and you will see who they truly are. In chaos, remain calm. Your people draw courage from your composure. Protect your name more fiercely than your gold. A tarnished name is a dying kingdom. Pride blinds more kings than war ever will. Seek truth, even when it humbles you. Reward loyalty before all else. Punish betrayal swiftly and without spectacle. Power without purpose is poison. Rule not for glory, rule for legacy. And remember this above all, my son. The greatest power of all is knowing when not to use it. The throne does not forgive weakness. Rule with wisdom or fall with pride.